Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Lamborghini Huracan Performante. We'll begin by establishing the car's fundamental proportions. First, draw a long, low rectangle to represent the main body. Next, add a gentle curve for the roofline, extending to the windshield. Then, sketch 4 semicircles for the wheel arches, ensuring they are evenly spaced along the base. This initial framework is crucial for capturing the Huracan's distinctive silhouette. Now, let's refine the Huracan's unique features. Carefully outline the sleek, narrow headlights and taillights, giving them a sharp, aggressive look. Next, define the large, functional side air intakes, which are essential for its performance. Don't forget the distinctive Y-shaped design elements, particularly noticeable on the front bumper and rear diffuser. These details truly bring the Lamborghini's character to life. Moving on to the wheels and aerodynamic components. Draw the 5-spoke wheels, paying attention to their intricate design, and include the visible brake calipers behind them. Next, sketch the prominent rear wing, a key performance feature of the Performante, and the aggressive rear diffuser. Finally, add the 2 central exhaust pipes, a signature element that completes the powerful rear view. These details emphasize its track-focused design. For our final steps, we'll refine and add depth to your drawing. Carefully erase any visible construction lines, cleaning up the overall sketch. Then, apply subtle shading to various areas, such as under the car, within the wheel wells, and along the body panels, to create a sense of three-dimensionality. Finally, add highlights to sharp edges and reflective surfaces, making your Lamborghini Huracan Performante truly pop off the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.